Did you notice the sentiment score for tech is spiking at plus 0.46? That's significant, especially when you consider the recent historical baseline. Such a surge suggests a shift in sentiment that could indicate emerging trends or shifts in consumer behavior. Coupled with a momentum of plus 0.44, this is not just noise, it's a signal worth paying attention to. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum, and even 18 semantic clusters, to give you deep insights into what's driving this sentiment. Imagine you're building a trading algorithm. You could leverage this data to predict tech stock movements based on shifts in public sentiment and emerging trends, allowing you to make more informed decisions. For more details, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's start turning data into action.